Ino niyo yuma thabari ya muthia ya bebe Ethan Mwendo itura-ini ria Makau kaunti-ini ya Makueni.
May Ethan shine forever in our hearts.
Igongona riri riria rikuyuirwo ni kieha kiingi kuria ria megwikinyetie makomithirie giko giki gia kwaga uigiririki mathibitari-ini maria magirirwo ni gutangikira arwaru mahone no mageka mugaru na kuheana motungata matari na kihariro.
Ethan did not deserve to die at this age. Yes, we know the will of God has to be accomplished. But as we know that someone who is completely incompetent and irresponsible took the life of a child.
Mwaria thutha wa ogeni mashakaire gikuo kia Ethan kuria aciari ake moigite kiria marenda no kihoto kia mwana wao.
God gave you good health, although you had life. The 7 months you had no complication at all, health complications. Until that moment, you got a scar.
Our cry is that this baby's death will not be in vain.
Mubunge wa Makueni Dan Manzo uria wikinyetie gucakaya hamwe na family no nigite gatiba ni agirirwo gucenjio niguo guteithia mogima ma mwiri marugamirirwo ni thirikari nene.
Who is really in charge of the medical practitioners, the professionals? So there is a big confusion, and I really want to challenge Parliament, ourselves, and all Kenyans that we need to do something about the health sector.
Ethan akuire thutha wa guthecwo njanjo iri na hinya maita 20 makiria mauria yagiriire undu uria wacungireire thibitari wa Shalom town-ini ya Machakos uhigwo na andu atatu gwikio ngono na gukinywo igoti-ini.
He is now resting as God planned.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Wangari.